We are Hbplasmasolutions. That stands for Heartbridge Plasma Water Solutions. Also find us on Etsy, where we have all the different things that we've been creating over the past years, but finally put together in a way to share with others on Etsy about a year ago, upon request of a friend to create the plasma items to share with her Patreon group. We just love that other people that we're sending these things to are really enjoying them and having similar experiences. This little video is a quick start for the DIY and the hugs. On our listings, you can find the DIY set in several places. If you're not super familiar with plasma technology, the DIY set is a good place to start. You can find it several places in our Etsy site. You can purchase it all by itself, or you can purchase it with a necklace. We also run a special once a month for $11. We have 11 sets that we put up there for families with children on the autistic spectrum, Down syndrome, special needs. We have always had a special place in our heart for those kiddos and their families, and we feel that their parents are the superheroes of our time. So let's talk about the DIY set. So right now on Etsy, we have basically three different ways you can try plasma. The first one that's more of like a little bit of an intro, DIY, very basic. Here's a couple things and try it set. It's called the DIY. Okay, and it's got in it a fruit and veggie preservative to put in your own, to put in your own spray bottle to preserve fruit and vegetables. There's a vial in there. And then you get one tube of the P3 Avatar smoothie to put on your water bottle. And then what we've been doing while supplies last is having this little stretchy band that you can use to attach that to your water bottle. So let's see if I can get this to behave. There we go. You have a water bottle. You can either take your vial out of this and just put it in the water bottle, or you can use a little stretchy sleeve and just attach it to the outside. Right? And then the other one, the fruit and veggie preservative, I suggest that you take the little vial out of the container. There you go. And then just slide it into your own water bottle. See how that's down in the bottom there? And it just kind of lives in there. And then there's this waterproof-ish label that you can take off of here and put onto your spray bottle to remind you that it's in there. Each little 1 ml tube has 1 drop of GaNS. Each GaNS particle is exactly like a sun, a free sun, a free atomic structure. It radiates energy out continuously with a non-stop flow of free energy. It is in its fundamental free structure waiting for your instructions. More on the subject of what GaNS is and plasma technology in general is available in our free ebook and our other videos. Using plasma water is super simple. Just get your tiny tube in or near some water and it goes to work. Get your big box of greens. They're very tightly packed. Open it up and take them out on a dish towel. Spray them around with the plasma spray and fluff them a bit. For best results, allow them to dry a little bit before putting them back in the box. And sometimes we'll save an extra box so that we can let them be a little more spread out. Plasma is also very conscious technology, so make sure you give it instructions as to what you would like it to do for you. Using your plasma water on fruits and vegetables and plants is one of the best ways of demonstrating to yourself what plasma water does. See our longer video on our experiences with the fruit and veggie preservative spray. Okay, now let's talk about the hug. If you got your DIY set, you got one of the P3 Avatar smoothie vials to put on your water bottle, which is sufficient. With the hug, what I've done is I've sewn 2 different formulas into each side of the bottle to give it a little bit more of a dynamic field and make it easier to use. Each hug also comes with a fruit and veggie preservative spray for you to enjoy at home. Okay, and then the next level of experiencing the plasma would be the hug. You get a, it came right out, didn't it? Inside the plastic bag is a 4-inch hug. I'll go ahead and take that out. There we go. And it's on a nice stretchy sleeve. I'll show you how expandable it is. It works pretty well for multiple sizes. And inside, on each side are 2 different tubes of the plasma, like it shows on the little handout. So you can take your water bottle and then easily slide that over and take it on the road. And for when you're going out on the town with your hug, I have noticed sometimes if I'm putting this in and out of my tote bag or my backpack, the hug may want to slide off and stay in the tote bag instead. So with each of them, I have put this little, I call it backpack bumpers, right? So you put 1 band below the hug and then 1 band above the hug, and that gives it kind of a little bumper to stay in place for you. Hope that helps. We are Hbplasmasolutions. That stands for Heartbridge Plasma Water Solutions. So we've expanded the size of the line of hugs to multiple different ones for different types of containers. So remember your family, your pets, your chickens, all of the above.